What's up? Welcome to the chat, guys. Double tap the screen to drop a like. We need more likes. We have 20 odd minutes now. Anyways, may I say, get some Jamaican seasoning. And you good, like, get some Maggi all purpose. I love Maggi seasoning, We'll recommend it to anybody. Maggi seasoning I might go to. So get some Maggi all purpose. Some Maggi jerk seasoning. And you will season to the bone seasoning. That is not Maggi. I thought it was one next seasoning. Just them three seasoning they really need. They don't need no whole heap of nothing. Some people make it, cause most of the seasoning them works like all purpose. It's a mixture of seasonings and stuff. And thing. Mixture of seasonings and spices. So you don't really need no whole heap of seasoning, you know. And then you have your little scallion and thyme, onion. If you want to put tomato in there, you put tomato. You don't have to put that. Onion, scallion and thyme, pepper, carrot and them little thing there if you want. No use no salt. Once you use Maggi seasoning, them already have salt in it.